Bathed in sunlight over many millions of years, the Earth's plants and animals use the sun's energy in cycle after cycle of life and death. Through hundreds of millions of cycles, solar energy was captured and laid down under millions of tons of earth and water, forming the fossil fuels that we use today. The coal, oil, and gas that we burn to generate electricity for our lights, our air conditioners, and our factories is in a very real sense a concentration of solar energy from long, long ago. Unfortunately, this source of fossil energy is of a finite supply. Whatever reserves we have are being used up, more people seeking more and more energy, and the processes that produce these fuels are gone. As our lights dim, our air conditioners struggle to cool, and our factories stand idle, where shall we turn? One answer is to look to the original source of our energy, the sun. While the process of creating fossil fuels is no longer practical, we do have the know-how and technology to convert solar energy directly into electricity. No expensive fossil fuels and no pollution-producing electrical generators, just clean, ready-to-use electricity. The science and technology that is at the heart of every grid-ready solar farm has been around for a long time, operating everything from calculators and watches to the International Space Station. Photovoltaic technology produces electricity by exposing special silicone-based energy cells to solar energy. Built into panels, with 21 panels assembled into arrays, we have the building blocks of a typical solar electrical generating facility. Wherever you are in the world, solar energy is available from sunrise to sunset, even on cloudy days. The longer the days and the clearer the skies, the more energy available for conversion into electricity. The process is clean, constant, and with no moving parts, nearly maintenance-free, projecting more than 30 years of service life. Specializing in large-scale solar power installations, ATM Labs applies its best-in-class practices to an engineering, procurement, construction model. Whether the project is a grid-ready solar farm or a factory rooftop installation, our clients get best-in-class design and engineering, superior components, and built-to-last construction. A typical grid-ready project is based on a 1 megawatt modular design. High-rated monosilicone photovoltaic panels are typically mounted in banks of 21 panels on aluminum rails, secured to an elevated steel or aluminum superstructure with concrete or helical pier foundations. Each panel in the array is connected using copper wire in conduit with watertight fittings. Each array is further connected using MC4 cable to a fusible combiner box, and then run into an inverter house where the array circuits are combined and connected to an MPPT inverter. The inverter takes direct current from the multiple arrays and outputs alternating current to the utility substation and the electrical grid. ATM Labs is a purpose-built organization dedicated to the custom design and construction of large-scale, solar-based electric generating facilities. Whether providing the electrical power to operate a factory or feeding electricity to a utility company's national grid, ATM Labs' team of engineers, procurement specialists, and construction professionals knows how to deliver. Relying on the experience gained through delivery of solar projects in South Korea, India, Turkey, and the United States, our best-in-class engineering skills can unlock the alternative energy opportunities that abound in Pakistan. Throughout the course of a project, our team remains dedicated to the proposition that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. We work every day to actively resolve concerns before they become problems. Our dedication to high-quality workmanship and superior client service is unsurpassed. We build relationships based on honesty, integrity, and open communication with our clients. 21st century capabilities, providing electrical power independence for Pakistan's future.